4gr8Media. How to make him want you more than her. To learn how you can make this happen, watch this short video. Take action, take control.
There is a true love loophole, and it surprises women because the power of this change they see in a man's desire for her, it's like flipping a switch. And it's not something most of us would predict based on modern theories of human psychology or studies of how men are, how men think, and what they do. The only question is, are you ready?
Come learn with us. Discover how to unlock a man's heart. Click on the link to receive a free summary of our findings.